Dan's vlog. Happy 9 years, Jen. 9 stinking years.
9 married. Let's get
9 married. How long have we been together?
This December will be 19.
Are you serious? Man, welcome to the show. We got a good one for you today. By the way, your picture that I posted on Facebook, it pretty much went viral. You got like 170 likes. And wow, welcome to Kittanning, Pennsylvania. I've been wanting to go see waterfalls, and that's what we did for our 9-year anniversary.
So we made it happen, finally.
Come on, little Penny Angelo. We've been hiking here for about an hour. Jen just said, this doesn't seem right. This isn't the falls.
I love how it's on me. I was like, I don't even do Google Maps because you're my GPS.
Oh, and the kids are about to melt. I guess I'll take the blame on this.
How is this my fault? Hey, it's our 9-year anniversary. I don't think we want to fight.
Still minor setback, but it's all good, right, Penny? Jen, it looks just like the picture.
He's my GPS. I don't ever.
I'm usually pretty good at this
I don't ever have to deal.
Yeah, anyway, it was the wrong waterfalls. We ended up re-Googling, and there happens to be Buttermilk Waterfalls about 45 minutes from home.
In Blairsville area.
And it matched the picture that Jenny originally showed me.
That's the one, Mom. That's the silver tuna I wanted.
No. All right, thank you. Paisley. We did it! We made it, baby! Buttermilk Falls! Check it out, we can go under them. Let's do it, guys. Come on. You got this. There it is. Here's the top of the falls. This is awesome,
Rated down there.
Wow! Look at this! We're under the waterfall! Wow, what do you guys think of this? This is so wild. I've never been underneath waterfalls in my life.
Made it! We did it finally! Yeah! Pretty cool.
What do you take from today's adventure, Jen?
Never give up.
Don't give up. Don't ever give up.
Can I sit on your shoulders?
Sure.
I want to sit on his shoulder.
You have to come get me first. Look, dude, you just made it up the hill. Good job. Sucker.
That's a wrap. But we're here to say,
chase the waterfalls, baby. It was beautiful, man. Immerse yourself in the beauty around you. Not to change the subject, I hope you guys tuned in to witness Tiger Woods' comeback this year. I mean, he fell from grace and he came back, and I'm so proud of the dude, you know? Yeah, is he a major screw up with his marriage and all that? That's a whole nother subject. We're not gonna get into that. I forgive him. Back, baby.
welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And everyone likes a comeback story, and he is back. Man, the Michael Jordan of golf is back.
Way to go, Tiger. Thanks, guys, for watching.
Happy anniversary. Thanks for taking me.
Oh, yeah. Happy anniversary,
Until next year. 2010. I mean 2010, listen to me. In 10 years. We won't edit that.